All right, everyone. Hey there. My name is Shin Zimmerman. I'm with the Cornering Crew. I'm the founder and lead organizer. I'm here to do another race analysis and technique analysis of my lightweight twin Superbike race with WERA on Saturday. This was May 27th at Cycle Jam. Let's go ahead and get started. Revs up. Launch. Not too bad. These three bikes. Looks like everyone gets a better launch on me. Need to work on that. Try to shoot at the inside like I did in the super stock race, but let's see here. Jonathan Woodall closed the door. I'm passing 007, which is Calhoun Bookhoop. So me and Woodall are going to be going back and forth a lot during this race, so let's watch. You can keep it on the gas there through the S's, but traffic's backing up a little bit. Coming in, I got speed on them, definitely going into turn 5. What's his pace like going into turn 6 here? Right now I'm a lot better, but there's a little bit of traffic, so we can't assume it'll be better next lap. Definitely got a better drive than me out of the corner, but we'll see how his bike does punching through the air. Right now I am in P4 Novice for Lightweight Twins Superbike. 10A. Looks like I'm beating him. Looks like I might be able to snag another. This is 107. That's Edward Scammon. Check and make sure. See if I bumped him over. So it looks like my pass served to slow down both Woodall and Salmon. 12. My sights set on this expert racer here. That is Merrick Blackburn. And that, I believe, David Hunt on the 237. He actually ended up winning the novice class. He's in the red shirt there. Just trying to hold on. Looks like right in front of him is slowing him down, which I believe is Merrick Blackburn. Number 155. Pace on him into 7. I'm going to remember that. Might try to cut off his drive next lap if I'm set up right for it. See if Woodall's right behind me. We'll take a glance as we're breaking through 10A. See how close Woodall is. There he is right there. I'm getting a better drive than him coming out. 10B looks like. I should have just went for it here. I was being way too nice. Being that we're going onto a long straight, he'd probably just take it right back. We are in Superbike, so there's a good chance he has some motor on me. If I'm going to make it pass, it's probably going to have to be through here. But I got to get close enough. Coming through the chicanes. He slowed me way down. It's tough to make a pass in the chicanes though, but if we have to, let's see what we can do. pace on him through turn 5. Oh, and Woodall makes a pass on me, launching out of turn 5. Let's see if he can make it stick. Made it stick, but I passed him last time into 10A. Let's see if I can beat him on the brakes again. And there he goes. See if we can try to make a pass on. Let's see if we can make a pass here on Merrick Blackburn. Yep, that's him. He's running a 1:49.407, best time for the race. And so I'm running a 49.515. So he's a tenth quicker than me. My best time from the weekend was a 1:48. So in here, falling behind him, I also noticed that on my lap timer that my sectors are red when I'm behind him, meaning I have pace on him, so definitely want to try to get by. 409 Blackburn, 409 Woodall was sticking his nose in there into turn 16 because he knows he's a bit faster than me in there. But let's see what happens here. He's probably trying to get my draft right now. Let's see if he pops out. Something's wrong with his brakes. Because if he beat me there, it'd be very hard to beat him. So again, this guy motors me pretty good. Not sure what he's on. But I gained significant bike length on him going into turn 1. Again, this guy's an expert racer, so technically my race isn't against him, so I am much, much, much less likely to try to do a sketchy pass, but he left the door open there, and he outmotors me, and pulls me like he's on a 600. So Woodall, again, makes a pass into turn 6. But we get stuck behind some traffic here. Really slows them down. Looks like I get a slightly better drive than him coming out. Hey, Jonathan. Drag race down the back straight. See how he does on the brakes. All I wanted all weekend was to have battles with people, and Jonathan Whittle and I are definitely having a battle here for several laps now. We've been passing each other, or at least he's been passing me into turn 6. So in my head, I'm thinking I'm going to let off the brakes a little bit earlier every time I go into turn 6. Let's see how this guy does in turn 1. This is the second to last lap. See how close Woodall was going into turn 1. Woodall's got good pace through turn 1. Doesn't look like he lost any lengths. Again, catching up with Blackburn. Keep wanting to call him Blackman, but he's not. He's not Blackman. All right, Woodall was probably going to try to make another pass here. He's been making passes here this whole time. Here he comes around outside of turn 5, inside of turn 6. Just a little bit earlier than last time. Managed to beat him through turn 6. By turn 7, was at least on par with his. I've shifted to just try to stay ahead of him. He broke the draft. Probably a little bit too early. I think he was trying to beat me into the kink, but that wasn't going to happen. Don't know why I'm letting off between 10A, 10B. I really don't need to. Coming in. Alright, let's get the checkered. And there it is. That's the race. If you guys want me to go over anything specific, techniques or otherwise, just let me know. Or if you want me to talk about what reference points I'm using, just let me know through there. This was a slightly more difficult one just because I was following. This guy right here was slowing me down quite a bit, so my lines aren't going to be quite the same as they usually are. Anyways, if you liked it, make sure you check us out on Facebook. We're the Cornering Crew. We're dedicated riders to making our roads safer through community practice and mentorship. So make sure you check us out. We do group events all the time, meetups. I specifically do the track day meetups, but we meet up in the parking lots to practice fundamentals of trail braking, emergency braking, and especially cornering. So check us out. Love y'all. Stay safe out there and have fun.